Hi, I have a family member that lived in a local facility in which they provided the medication, and they over-medicated him whenever we got to him. He was in critical condition and on life support. I want to know, is there an attorney that will take the case? In fact, he's still in the hospital.
Okay, Tracy, and my mic, I'm having a little bit of a hard time hearing, but my understanding is you've got a family member who is in a care facility, and the thought is that they have been over-medicated. There may be a claim there. It would be something that would fall under what we refer to as medical malpractice or medical negligence. That is another area of practice that we practice at the firm. It's kind of a subspecialty of personal injury, but a lot of that is going to depend on what the outcome is. Medicine, like law, is as much of an art as it is a science, and there is a requirement in order to bring a medical malpractice case that you first must establish there was a duty of care and there was a breach of a standard of care that is owed in that particular situation. In other words, you could have a situation where the person was over-medicated, but if they don't have a lasting injury or if there's no long-term effect, you might be in a situation where you might have a hard time finding an attorney that would take that, because there's got to be some sort of a lasting effect as a result of the medical mistake. Obviously, over-medicating somebody sounds like something that would certainly be the breach of the standard of care, but without getting into a lot of the facts, it's kind of hard to know whether or not there would be a case. I would strongly encourage you to seek the advice of an attorney that practices in the area of medical malpractice, and obviously you want to make sure that your loved one is taken care of and keep an eye on what's going on there. I would say if they're still in the care, you want to take good notes, keep a diary, pay close attention to what's going on, and then have that information available when you go talk to a lawyer.